In this video, you'll learn how to create and print shipping labels for your Wix orders. First, navigate to the Sales section from the sidebar. Then, select and manage orders using their checkboxes for bulk actions. This helps you quickly organize orders that need your attention. Use the Bulk Action toolbar after selecting multiple orders to more efficiently assign tags or prepare them for the next steps in fulfillment. When creating a new order, fill in custom item details and pricing, then add the item to the order to make sure all shipping information is recorded. Next, select the customer and complete the order creation process, making sure each order has the correct recipient. Once the order is created, collect payment and update its status as paid so it's ready to be fulfilled and shipped. To get your shipping label, open the More Actions drop-down within the order details and select Print Order. This will open your printable packing slip or label. Finally, download the order as a PDF, which is ready to be printed and attached to your shipment. You've now learned how to print shipping labels for your Wix orders. Happy shipping!